So in the last class we have studied about the types of triangle. There are 4 types of triangle which we are basically need to focus in our SAT. Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, right angle triangle, and there is like called as special right angle triangle that we are going to discuss here today. So there are 2 special right angle triangle that we have to discuss. First is when the angles are 30, 60 and 90. So let me first draw the triangle. Let us label it as ABC, and this angle is 30 degree, this angle is 60 degree, and that is the 90 degree angle. So there is a relation. All these sides are related with each other. They are in a ratio. So it is like this. So let's say the side opposite to angle 30. You can see this side, the side opposite to angle 30. The side opposite to angle 30 degree is, let's say, 1 unit. So the side opposite to angle 60, which is BC, will be root 3 times of 1. So root 3 times of 1, let's say 1 only. Root 3 times of 1 is root 3. And side opposite to 90, which is this side, is 2 times of 1. 2 times of side opposite to 30. So that will be 2. Now let us take an example to understand that how it is going to work. So let's say the side opposite to 30 is given to us as 5 centimeter. It is given to us, the side opposite to 30 is 5 centimeter. So the side opposite to 60 will be root 3 times of 5, that will be 5 root 3 centimeter. And side opposite to 90 will be twice of side opposite to 30, so that will be 10 centimeter. So if we know one side, we can answer the other 2 sides by just looking at the ratio. And the ratio is the side opposite to 30, the side opposite to 60 and the side opposite to 90 will always maintain this ratio. 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Okay? So I can take some other example also. So let me take one more example, guys. From that, if you have any doubt, your doubts will be cleared. So let's say side opposite to 90 is now given to us. Side opposite to 90 is given to us 12 centimeter, let's say. And we have to find the other 2 sides. So we know that side opposite to 90 is twice of side opposite to 30. So it means 30 will be what? Yes, you are right. 30 is 6 centimeter. And side opposite to 60 is what? Root 3 times of side opposite to 30. So that will be 6 root 3. See, guys, this is so easy. You all can do, right? Okay. So this is for the 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay, so second special right angle triangle is 45, 45, 90. When the angles are 45, 45 and the 90 degree. So guys, we know that when 2 angles are equal, their corresponding sides are also equal. Hence, if let's say this is 1 centimeter, so that will be also 1 centimeter. So the side opposite to this 45 degree is 1. So the side opposite to the another 45 degree will also be 1. This is how it works. So the side opposite to 90, which is this, will be root 2 times of it. So 1 time of root 2 will give you just root 2. Okay. So in 45, 45, 90 triangle, the side opposite to 45 degree and the side opposite to 45 degree and the side opposite to 90 will always maintain this ratio. In your SAT, this information will be shared with you. On the front page of the or of your part 3 and the part 4, this information will be given to you. All you have to know is to how to apply it. So that is why we are seeing here how to apply this. Okay, now let's say side opposite to 45 degree be 6 centimeter. So the side opposite to another 45 will also be 6 centimeter, and side opposite to 90 will be 6 root 2 centimeter. See, all of you can answer this. It is so easy. Similarly, if side opposite to 90 degree is, let's say, given to us as 20 centimeter. Now how we will find it out? Okay, you all have 1 minute, you can figure it out how to do that. Now yes, so 1 minute is over, guys. Now you can see how to do this. So you know that side BC is 1, then side AC is root 2 times of it. So hence, so from BC to AC you need to multiply root 2 to get that AC value. So similarly, if you wanted to get BC from AC, you have to divide by root 2. So this side will be 20 divided by root 2. 20 divided by root 2, that will be 10 root 2. And this will also be 10 root 2 centimeter. So this is how you will answer it. Okay. Now guys, let us do one question. I hope you all must have noted down this whole thing. Now let us do one question. The question is, this is triangle ABC. This angle is 105 degree. This angle is 45 degree, and this angle is 30 degree. The side BC is given to us 6 centimeter. We have to find the area of triangle ABC. The formula to find the area of triangle ABC, means of any triangle, is half base into height. So you can use this formula and you can figure it out. So you have to choose your base and height wisely and answer this question. Okay, please all of you do this question. Thank you.